On and story coming in from the national capital, a low-intensity explosion took place at Delhi's Rohini Court complex yesterday. In fact, the explosives were inside a laptop bag. No loss of life have been reported, though one staff member of the Rohini Court has been injured in this incident. Special cell of Delhi Police's anti-terror squad have now registered a case and is investigating the matter. And this incident comes 3 months after a shootout took place in the court premises when two gangsters entered the courtroom and opened fire at gangster Jitendra Gogi. In fact, Bhavtosh Singh, our senior correspondent, is with us to give more details in this big story. So, Bhavtosh, this incident has taken place at the very same court which made headlines for shootout, very shocking shootout that took place few months back. And even when now the probe has been launched, it still raises massive security concerns.
Yes, Gauri, in fact, it raises a question mark over the kind of security arrangements that have been put in by the Delhi police, or the claims that have been put in by the Delhi police after the bloody shootout that took place in Rohini Court premises, in which a gangster was shot down by two assailants who were later gunned down by the security personnel. Now, what exactly happened is not still very clear. There was a laptop bag that, in fact, was blown into smithereens. A tiffin box or a tiffin box-like substance was, in fact, used by the suspects in this case. Explosives like material or crude ID was used by suspects in this case. Now, who in fact placed this is still not clear, but special cell of the Delhi police will probe this matter. Now, according to sources, they have said that this could have been assembled at home. Now, the head constable who has been injured in this incident most probably would have used his foot that could have triggered this explosive. Police is not denying the possibility of a terror angle or a rival gang using this as a means to target another gang. Now, the courtroom that was targeted by the suspects in this case was a metropolitan magistrates court, which generally used for a challan purpose or traffic challan purpose. That is also something that has raised a lot of question mark as to why this particular court has been targeted, because this is not the courtroom where the shootout had taken place in the first place. Now, the shootout actually happened on the third floor. That was the court of additional sessions judge. This was the courtroom of a traffic metropolitan magistrate. Now, all angles are being pursued by the Delhi police, and they have said that NSG was in fact called in. Bomb detection center had reached at the spot, and they're awaiting for the final report from the NSG.
Right, Bhavtosh, thank you for sharing all those details.